Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go screen glitch. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go screen glitch, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default settings. Then this list you will search about the application of Monopoly Go. And you will enter here if you will find it in this list, here. Then you will click on force stop. After that we click storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.